Welcome. Hello, my dear faculty members, principals, directors, coordinators, IQC coordinators of higher education institutes of the affiliated colleges. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some facts that how many institutes are there in India and how many of them are getting A or A higher grade. So be with me till the end of the video, and I will share with you the link of the Excel sheet in which you can find out the institutes with their grades. Hi, I'm Dr. M.S. Rathod, and I'm a NAAC Accreditation coach, and I am on the mission to reach 10,000 faculty members of 1,000 higher education institutes of India to make awareness about the NAAC assessment and accreditation process. So in this video, I will sharing with you about the status state-wise of the different higher education institutes and how many of them got the A++ grade, how many of them got A+, and how many of them are having A grade of the NAAC assessment and accreditation process. All of you are aware that NAAC is providing the 8 type of grades ranging from the highest one, that is A++ if the score is above 3.5, and then A+, then A, then B++, then B+, and then B, and then C, and then D. D is the grade in which NAAC says that this institute is not fulfilling the quality norms and hence it is not accredited. So we can say on the basis of grading that the institutes who are having the A or above grade, they are following the standards or quality norms of the that are laid down by the NAAC, and they can be rated as the quality institutes. So let me share with you my screen, and in this screen, with the help of mind map, we'll be understanding that what are the different type of institutes available in India with the different grades. So you can see here that are the facts that total 1,043 universities are there in India and 42,343 colleges. And out of them, only 20% colleges are there who are NAAC accredited colleges. And 38% of the universities are accredited by NAAC only. So majority of the institutes are not NAAC accredited, or if the institutes are there, then you can see in the out of total colleges, out of the total 20% colleges, only 1,426 institutes are having A or higher grade. And what is the reason behind that? Let's understand that one of the major reasons might be that the lack of awareness about the changed revised accreditation framework of the NAAC. And many times it happens that due to the poor documentation practices or due to some other reasons, the institutes could not get the good grades for which they are eligible. So to make a systematic plan for the NAAC accreditation, I have made a foundation course on NAAC accreditation, and this foundation course link you can get at the end of the video. And this foundation course would be giving you a fair idea about the whole revised NAAC assessment and accreditation process. However, coming back to the point that in this video, we are going to share with you about the different types of institutes which are available across India in the different states. So there are total 1,141 institutes having A grade, and then total 234 institutes are having A+ grade, and only 51 institutes are having A++ grade. So in Andhra Pradesh, you can see the status A71, A+19, and A++ only 1. While in Assam, you can see the A grade institutes 12, A+1, and A++ is only 1. So you can see the name of these institutes in the state in the Excel sheet. The link of this Excel sheet I'm giving you in the description of the video, and at the end of this video, I will share with you about that how one can use this list in their NAAC assessment and accreditation process. In Bihar, only 5 institutes are there having A grade, while in Chandigarh, there are 10 institutes having A grade, and only 1 institute is there having A+ grade. While in Chhattisgarh, you can see 6 institutes are having A grade, 1 institute is having A+ grade. While in Delhi, you see 35 institutes are there having A grade, A+ grade 13 institutes, and A++ grade only 2 institutes. While in Goa, 11 institutes are having A grade, while A+ grade is only 1 institute. Then in Gujarat, 24 institutes are there having A grade, 4 institutes are there having A+ grade, while in Haryana, you can see 23 institutes are having A grade, 1 institute is having A+, and 2 institutes are having A++ grade. While in Himachal Pradesh, you can see A grade 2 institutes, A+1 institute, and in Jammu Kashmir, 9 institutes are having A grade, 1 institute is having A+ grade. In Jharkhand, 3 institutes are having A grade, And in Karnataka, you can see 128 institutes, colleges are having A grade, A plus grade 27, while A plus plus grade is with the 5 institutes. In Kerala, 94 institutes are having A grade, A plus grade 18 institutes, and A plus plus grade is with the 5 institutes. While in Madhya Pradesh, 26A, 5 institutes are A plus, and 2 institutes are A plus plus grade. In Maharashtra, highest number is there. A grade institutes are 307, while in A plus grade 56 institutes, and A plus plus grade is 3 institutes are having this grade. In Odisha, 13A, 1 is A plus and 1 is A plus plus grade. While in Punjab, if you see 54 institutes are having A grade institutes, 4 institutes are having A plus and 1 institute is having A plus plus grade. In Rajasthan, 14 institutes are having A grade, 1 institute is having A plus grade, 2 institutes are having A plus plus grade. While in Tamil Nadu, you can see 141 institutes are there having A grade, 50 institutes are having A plus grade, and 17 institutes are having A plus plus grade. That is the highest grade given by the NAAC. And in Telangana, 61 institutes are there A grade, 20 institutes A plus, and 6 institutes A plus plus grade. While in Uttar Pradesh, 31 institutes are having A grade, 4 institutes are having A plus grade, while 1 institute is having A plus plus grade. Now, why I'm sharing with you this information and how one can use this information utilizing the Excel sheet, which is downloadable from the description link of this video. So here you can see if we talk about the faculty members or IQAC coordinators or principals or director, they can utilize this list to find out that which are the institutes with which they are having similarity or they are resembles with them. So they can find out the name of the institute and they can go through their website, they can download their SSR, they can go through this SSR, and then they can get the idea how this SSR is being written. And if they are preparing for the NAAC accreditation and assessment process, they can utilize this information in preparing their SSR. Of course, this not to be copied and pasted, only this to be used for the reference purpose only. And if we talk about the students, of course, every student want to know that which are the top institutes in their state and across India. So this list would be helpful for them, as the NAAC is the only body which is giving the accreditation to the whole institute throughout the India. And this is then autonomous body of UGC and having the various rigorous parameters through which they provide the grading to the institutes. So students can download the list, they can find out which are the best institutes, and then they can think of to get admission in that. And stakeholders and parents, they will be also like to know that which are the institutes having the good grades of the NAAC, and they are qualified for set quality benchmarks. And now let me share with you that how one can download this list and how one can sort it out to find out that in their state, particularly A plus grade institutes, how many are there. So if they want to have the list of the A plus institutes, they can sort it out. They can find out if A plus plus grade, they can get the name of the institutes. So I will tell you in the Excel sheet how one can do that. So here is the Excel sheet which one can see. And I hope you can see this Excel sheet. And in this Excel sheet, you can find out, suppose, let me make it again the original one. So we can put a filter in this Excel sheet, and we can coming to know, suppose we want to know that how many institutes are there in Madhya Pradesh, and those who are having A plus or this grade. So we can select the Madhya Pradesh here. You can put out here, and you can see the list of the Madhya Pradesh is being shown here. So here you can see total 33 institutes are there. And out of them, if you want to see that which institutes are having A grade, so here you can see the 26 institutes are having A grade, and you can find out the name from here, and you can put this name into the Google and find out that what is the institute. You can see their SSR and come to know that which what are the various criteria on the 7 criteria parameters. What are the standing of the institutes? So likewise, you can use this list of any state or any institute if you want to know that how many institutes are there in India, particularly having the A plus plus grade. So you can see, you can click here, you can utilize this, and you can find out only 51 institutes are there in India having the A plus plus grade. So this can be counted as the topmost institutes of the India. And I'm talking about only the colleges, not the universities. These institutes either are affiliated with the university or are the autonomous colleges. And they have set the benchmarks of the quality education, and one can know more about by visiting their website. So this list would be helpful, and you can take this as a reference to find out the institutes which are standing good. So let me stop my sharing. And if you like this video, I would request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I would be and press the bell icon so that you can come to know about the forthcoming videos. And this link of this Excel sheet is given in the description link. And looking into the fact that many faculty members do not know about the NAAC revised assessment criteria of the NAAC, and they are sometimes confused. So looking into my mission to reach out 10,000 faculty members and helping them out about the NAAC assessment and accreditation process, I have created a foundation course that is free of cost, and one can visit this foundation course, and the link of this foundation course is also given in this video, and one can go through that. And if somebody want to have certification, they can personally mail me. I will tell them the procedure, how to get the certificate. And I also have made a few communities like NAAC Accreditation Club. I have created one Telegram group in which more than around 200 faculty members are there. They are getting benefited. In NAAC Accreditation Club, more than 200 faculty members are there. And I am keeping posting the information about the NAAC assessment and accreditation process. And these are the platforms with which we can learn. Together, we can learn and we can grow. So by the time, keep learning, keep watching the videos. Thank you very much. Thank you all.